Bam, today we're cooking like a G. What do I got? Potatoes. I'm gonna cut these first. These will take longer to cook than this steak will. And in the second half, I'm gonna throw in these vegetables. They're already chopped up. Peppers, cilantro, you see them, yellow peppers, a little mushroom, a little big mushroom. I'm sprinkling a little bit of adobo on there just because I'm Puerto Rican. A little bit of garlic. And then I got this rub right here. Not really gonna show you the label, but let me get the chopping on these potatoes. Boom. Now you think about it, how do you wanna eat them? Do you want the big wide cuts? You trying to chew all day or make it real fast? It's completely up to you. My boy's here, so we're doing 2 potatoes, we're doing 2 steaks. Exactly. And it's gonna be crazy. It's going to be crazy. But you see how I cut that up real quickly? Boom. That's about the size that I like to roll with. You know what I'm saying? Bam. So basically, I give it some slices like that. Boom, cut them up. Not too thick, not too thin. I like to be reminded that it is a potato. You know what I'm saying? And then I go again. After I slice them, I cut them in half. And then when I cut them in that half, boom, when I hit that again, it's like a quarter, you know? And that's what I'm looking at again, boom. Cash pieces all the way. You know what's gonna happen next, right? I'm gonna slide this right into the oil, into the snake grease. Nah, I'm kidding. I used olive oil. No snake grease over here, no snake grease. Olive oil, right? Real easy. Pick that joint up. I already preheated this. Boom. You see that? Oh my God. It's getting scary right now. Boom. Hold on, let me cut these a little more. Little too brocky for me. Little too brocky. Boom. You see them. The potatoes take a lot of oil, so after I throw them in, I like to throw on a little more oil. Yo, go, yeah. Infomercial style, you feel me? While that's happening, I'm gonna dip over here, season the meat. I'm gonna hit that first layer, garlic. I need that garlic real close to the meat. That's how I feel. Then I bless them adobo style. Then I got that low-key black market rub. And I go in pretty heavy with that because some of that's gonna stick to the pan. And then what I do is I pretty much flip it and freak it and go in reverse. So now on this side, I'm going rub. Boom. And what was the other thing I did? I did the garlic, right? Boom. Completely reverse situation, you know? Then adobo. That thing is almost ready to go.
All of your love, all that you gave to me, I cannot give it up. Not so.
Boom. The potatoes are almost done. They take a little longer to cook than the steak would, you know what I mean? Because I like it medium well. I make sure I got a decent flame on there. I've already heated up that oil. All I gotta do is dip this in there. Oh, you heard it. I like to smack that seasoning right on there, you know? Lovely. Of course, we got another piece on decky. Boom, that's gonna go right beside it. And that's it. That's gonna sit in there. I'm gonna see if I can dip more of that seasoning. And that's how you're gonna get that mouth wet with the flavor. The natural juices will arrive. Now remember too, when that side is done, I'm gonna flip some of this, pop it right in there. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be flavor. Okay? You don't have to lick your lips. You can lick the plate though. You feel me? I'm thinking just a few more minutes. I'ma flip the steak and slide some vegetables in there. It's gonna be pretty epic. It's gonna be an explosion of flavor happening. You're gonna see some smoke. But when that dust clears, you're gonna have a beautiful steak. You smell that? Yo, we back. What I got right now is my tongs. And basically, I got the peppers. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of these in here. And you can see this side of the steak is not cooked. But basically what I wanna do is I wanna mash that down with some of that. Oh my goodness. Do you see that side? What's up? Same thing right here. Boom. You see it. And then I'm gonna go in on top of that and get even more going in there. Boom. I'm gonna create a nice little pathway. And then boom, just a little bit more. Fill in some gaps. And that's pretty much it. Now, if I put the vegetables in at the same time that I put the steak in, then the vegetables will be too soggy. They'll lose their crisp. Right here, because they cook faster, they're still gonna be crispy. They're still gonna be vibrant. I don't need them too brown, you know what I'm saying? Nothing racial. I wanna keep the color of this vegetables. I wanna have that on my plate popping. And these potatoes, about ready. You see them. If you're a G, you could dip in there. Sample that. Let me audition it. Perfect. It's perfect.
All of your love, all that you gave to me, I cannot give it up, not so easily.
So it's done. It happened. This puppy is cooked with authority. Boom. I could put the steak down. I like to slide the vegetables right on top of there. Boom. Makes it real sexy. You know what I mean?
All alone with you.
Now this is a little secret that I like to do. I like to dip a little balsamic vinaigrette on the potatoes. I just adapt, and maybe a little bit on the steak. It kind of marries the whole thing together. And there you have it. When you're cooking like a G, this is what it should look like. You see me? I'm out of here. Ready, you ready? This is about to be crazy. Get a good look at that. Get a good look. Medium well. Perfect. With the potatoes, perfect.
Perfect. I'm gonna keep working on this. I'll see you on another one.